Okay, this is a video on how to install the snowplow on a Craftsman LT2000 or 1000. So there's not a YouTube that actually makes sense. So I basically had to do this by myself. I have no skills whatsoever. And so what I did is I had to, that is the mounting plate. I basically had to make it flush. So took out all the bolts, and there's a bolt, there's a bolt, there's a bolt, there's a bolt. Took those off, put the mounting plate on, and the snowplow I put on after, but I had to basically do the mounting plate. Not that hard, just had to connect those bolts onto the mounting plate. I did not take off the cover, which it says to do. The instructions are totally horrible. And then I put on the blade after, and it works great. The moving part there just stays up by itself, and if I can do it, anybody can do it. I have no skills whatsoever. Didn't take off the cover. I know that is, well, there's just not a video on YouTube. If I can do it, you can do it. Mount it flush, and that's all you have to do. That's how it looks like. From there, there was like a heat plate thing. I didn't take that off. No need to. Nothing else to be done.